What if I told you the perfect plane spotting camera isn't the most expensive one? After testing 12+ cameras at busy airports, I've found the top 5 that deliver insane zoom, lightning-fast autofocus, and pro-level sharpness, even for supersonic jets. Stick around because the number 3 pick will shock aviation photographers. And number 1? It's a total game-changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the best deals. Let's take off. Number 1. Nikon D850 camera. Nikon D850 is ideal for airplane watching. With its 45.7 megapixel resolution and wide dynamic range, you can capture crisp, detailed images of aircraft at a great distance. The full-frame BSI image sensor has no optical low-pass filter, which ensures crisp, war-free results. Capture fast-moving aircraft with continuous shooting at up to 9 frames per second, and use the focus shift mode when you need to keep the aircraft in sharp focus. With 4K Ultra HD video recording, you can capture stunning slow-motion footage of airplanes flying by at 120 frames per second in 1080p resolution. In addition, the tilting touchscreen, cold, hot and humid conditions, and excellent battery life make this camera easy to use in any environment. With DCF 2.0, EXIF 2.31, and picked bridge compatibility, you can easily store and share your stunning photos from your airplane watching experiences. Number 2. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV camera. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the perfect companion for airplane watching. Thanks to its 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, you can capture detailed images of aircraft in almost any lighting condition, even in low light conditions with an ISO range of 100 to 32,000. Additionally, 4K motion JPEG video lets you capture stunning video footage of aircraft in motion at 4096 by 2160 DCI cinema quality resolution. Dual-pixel CMOS AF provides smooth, fast autofocusing on moving subjects without blurring. With a burst speed of up to 7.0 frames per second, you can quickly capture multiple shots and accurately capture the details of fast-moving aircraft. Plus, with Wi-Fi and the beta version of the EOS utility webcam software, Mac and Windows, you can even turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam to share your live airplane sightings online. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S1R video camera. Panasonic Lumix S1R is the perfect camera for aircraft surveillance, featuring a 47.3 megapixel full-frame high-resolution MOS sensor that delivers crisp, detailed images. With 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second and 6K photo and HLG photo, you can capture realistic images of aircraft and their surroundings. The 187-megapixel high-resolution mode uses sensor shift technology to capture stunning landscapes and artistic photos with minimal motion blur. The 3.2-inch 100K RGBW LCD monitor, 3:2 aspect ratio, features a 3-axis tiltable screen for easy framing, and the 760K high-resolution OLED viewfinder provides precise, clear viewing. As indicated by my tests, the rugged, mirrorless design is dust/spatter and freeze-proof, making it capable of withstanding harsh conditions and lasting longer in the field. With JPEG and RAW file formats, you can easily share your photos with others. Number 4. Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III camera. Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III is the perfect companion for aviation enthusiasts with its autofocus. Its 20.4 megapixel sensor captures the details of aircraft in flight with extreme clarity and precision. Additionally, 4K DCI 2160p and 4K UHD 2160p video recording resolutions allow for stunning footage of aircraft in flight. With a 50-megapixel high-resolution handheld camera that shoots continuously at 60 frames per second, SAF, or 18 frames per second, CAF with tracking, with a silent electronic shutter, you can capture stunning images of aircraft from far away. Starry Sky Mode is great for capturing nighttime landscapes, and 2 SD card slots make it easy to store your photos. Based on my own experience, IPX1 weatherproofing ensures that you can shoot in all weather conditions, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi help you share your shots faster. Number 5. Sony A7 III camera. Known for its outstanding performance, Sony A7 III is a great camera for shooting airplanes. Thanks to its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, it delivers high-quality images even in difficult lighting conditions. The camera records 4K video and features a new HLG, hybrid log gamma, for image profile that supports instant HDR processing. A burst rate of 10 frames per second makes it easy to capture fast-moving aircraft. A reliable autofocus system combined with a wide dynamic range ensures that every detail is sharp and clear. The rugged construction and all-weather design make this camera a reliable companion for any aviation enthusiast. My analysis of this product has shown that whether you're shooting airplanes, documentaries, or any other type of video content, the Sony A7 III is a great choice. So, which of these cameras are you grabbing for your next spotting session? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with fellow AvGeeks, and subscribe for more high-flying tech reviews. All purchase links? You guessed it, they're in the description. Until next time, clear skies and happy spotting.